Hello everyone. We have introduced a new feature for mechanic commission. So first you need to go to the settings to create a mechanic. Click on this admin, user and access, then click on this mechanic. So here you can view all the mechanic executive as well as the lead executives. So click on this add lead mechanic. So here you need to give a details such as name, date of birth, email, password, mobile number and address details. So here you have to give the commission percentage for this mechanic for each job card. So for example, I'm giving a 5% here and save. So the mechanic has been created now. So now you can go to the job card and create one new job card. Select your customer and assign the mechanic here. Then choose the vehicle, select the service type, enter the job card value. So based on this amount, the mechanic commission will be calculated. Click on this save. Now the job card has been created, and once the job is done, you need to click on this job sheet complete. So once it's completed, the value will be taken into the report. So go to this reports, click on this mechanic commission report and give the date filter, and here it will show you the mechanic details. So you need to click on this mechanic's name to view the detailed information including assigned jobs, the payment date and the amount. And also here it will show you the commissions earned for each job. So this was we created the 2000 rupees of the job and the commission was 100 rupees. So this feature helps you analyze the performance of your mechanics and gain better insight into their contribution. So thank you for watching.